Hello everyone, I am Antar. Today on Kitchen Safari, I will show you how to make fruit chaat. Let's start. 1 chopped apple, 5 chopped apricots, 1 cup papaya, 1 chopped pear, 1 chopped banana, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon dry mint powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoon tamarind paste, mix it. And serve. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, please comment and share this video. Please subscribe to Kitchen Safari. Bye.